The race is on. All racers come to the starting point. The race is 3 meters long. Begin now.
You're never gonna beat me.
You wish, man.
Shut your hood.
3, 2, 1. I'm gonna beat you, man.
Yeah, right. You're never gonna beat me, man.
Well, there's only one thing we can do. Transform! Punch! Form up! Pencil! Oh, so you want to settle us now?
Yeah, let's go. Come on. Come on,
Transformers.
I can't open my hood to anything.
Can't touch me. Just like the bad guy from Lethal Weapon 2. I've got diplomatic immunity, so Hammer, you can't sue. I can write graffiti, even jaywalk in the street. I can riot, loot, not give a hoot, and touch your sister's teeth. Can't touch me. You can't touch me.
What in God's name is he doing?
You can't touch me. I believe that's the worm. Stop. Beat it time. I'm a big shot. There's no doubt. Light a fire and pee it out. Don't like it? Kiss my rump. Just for a minute, let's all do the bump. Can't touch me.
After the race. Hey, man, sorry about that transforming thing, man.
Nah, I don't want you to be sorry.
Why?
Cause I'm going through some things, you know, with like the wife and kids.
Oh, yeah, I know what you're saying.
Yeah.
Alright, man. Door hug.
Truth?
Yeah, truth. See you later.
Yeah.